Hello everyone, welcome! Draw a rabbit hairpin today. Use a black marker to draw a brace. With a big bow in the middle. To complement the broderies. And a big circle on each side of the bow. Let's draw small circles to make it more beautiful. Finally, add some atmosphere, some flowers, some glitter. Look, the simple picture is done. Now, that's really great. Now let's start coloring. Red. Pink. Light green. Orange. Gray violet. Pink red. Pink flower. Green. Blue. Yellow. Illuminating. Our work has been completed. It is very beautiful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.